As a famous saying, no man is an island. That's so true. We could say the same thing for a computer. No computer is an island. Think about it. If you have all the resources you need, like for example, for Google, and you don't need to go on the internet, that would be a massive computer. And think of everyone having that same capability around the world. It just won't be an efficient way. And how would you even update that thing if you have new information? So you need some form of medium to send and receive data. And that's really where the network comes into. When you want to think about a network, you need to think about an island transporting goods to and from. Perfect example. Before you send out a shipment, you have to have some kind of border patrol or something that's really looking in there and making sure that, hey, are you sending out the right goods, or are you receiving the right goods? Make sure that there's no guns or drugs in there, the whole 9 yards. The network is the same way. At NEIT Support, we have a cloud firewall. The cloud firewall enables remote users that are on the go, users that are in office, to always connect to this firewall. And this firewall is acting just like the border patrol, where it looks at all the packets coming in and coming out and making sure it meets the company's standard. Number 2, always make sure everyone has their correct access. That's vital. Just like the transportation or sending and receiving across countries, you can't just do it like that. You need to sign up. You need to make sure you're registered. You need to make sure that you have appointment already and everything. So all that stuff has to be in place. Same thing with your organization. If you know that this person is in accounting, they should not have access to HR stuff, or they should not have access to customer stuff. They shouldn't have access to marketing. Make sure that we delegate access accordingly. And finally, just like when you're transporting a vessel, like a ship or a thing, you have to have some form of security on there. Think of our security and networking as our encryption. So even if the bad guys do get our data, they have to find a way to encrypt it. And that would be another battle for them. At NEIT Support, we offer end-to-end encryption.